Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make Cool Ivy Girl's slime. So she did say, she did email me and she said, that she wanted a light blue slime. I'm gonna put the foam beads additional just in case you don't want it. Cool Ivy Girl, this is to you. But I don't know. So I'm just going to get all the materials and yeah. Alrighty, let me name out some of the, I'm like falling, some of the ingredients that there are. Just in case you wanted to know, I'm using titanium white paint. I'm also using cerulean blue. I hope I'm saying that correct. Some contact solution or saline solution, baking soda, foam beads. I'm not going to pour it in. I'm going to have a little baggie just in case Cool Ivy Girl doesn't want it, the winner. Oh, and by the way, Raina Johnson, if you are watching, your slime will be delivered very soon. I still haven't been able to send it. Also be needing glue. If I didn't say, you'll be needing a container or a bowl to do it in. I actually have I always do this when I'm making slime. What I do is I just get the slime and once the glue from the slime dries, I just do this and then it all comes off. Basically all I'm doing is peeling it. Kind of fun to be honest. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so I'm happy that it is fall break and it's just Saturday. But I'm really happy because I'm not a big fan of school. Comment down below if you like school. Yes or no. A lot of people ask me, am I going to do another giveaway? I know, you're going to ask, can I do another giveaway? Because there's this, I'm pretty sure if their name is called Fat Cat or something. They were like, oh no, so I can't enter the giveaway. And I'm just like, yeah, can't, but I'll have another one. So don't worry. Whoever Fat Cat is, comment where you got my channel from. Like, where'd you find it? Because I appreciate you for subscribing. I'm a very small YouTuber, and my dream, my goal is to become a bigger YouTuber. Like, my uncle and my brother have channels, and my uncle's channel is pretty big, but it's has like 200 something subscribers. I know that's not actually very big compared to PewDiePie and other YouTubers, Markiplier and other YouTubers, but for me that's pretty big, especially for my uncle too. So I do have their links on the video that has update about the giveaway. No, not that one. It has it on one of the videos. So if you want to go check that out, go ahead. So the first thing I did was make it white because I don't have white glue. So that's all that I basically did. I'm not trying to make this video really long. I always have my videos like pretty long, and a lot of people are like, "Where's your ads?" I'm like, I'm not monetized, so I can't put ads. And it's like, but anyways, try to get me to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before for the end of next year, because like that's the requirement to. We're currently trying to make a sky blue, and that is the color that Cool Ivy Girl, the winner, and Fat Cat. Don't worry, because you're already entered into my next giveaway, which hasn't even started, but you're already entered. So don't worry, you will already be entered, and my rabbits are chasing each other. Wow. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, I have rabbits Here, I'll go get one. Alright, got a little bunny. Why are you so still? Huh? Why are you so still? Alright, but I'm gonna start activating. Okay. And I'm gonna put this little buddy back. Probably very soon. Because he moves a lot. Or she, I don't know if it's a girl or boy yet. Hope it's a boy. Okay, this is dangerous for you. Let's go put you back. Okay, I'll be back, you guys. Anyways, someone on the live stream or like one of my videos saw my feet, so they're like your shoe. I think they said that somewhere. My table is pretty old, so it squeaks a lot. So you will probably hear that in most of my videos, or like it shakes a lot. Like, can you guys hear this? Hold on. Can you guys hear that? I don't know if you can. Yes, I am posting a lot, if you're wondering. I am posting a lot today. Now, why? You're probably like, the occasion. Because I probably won't be posting a lot next week. I mean, I'll post like 1 or 2 videos because my uncle wants to see how I film. It's a mess down here, literally. If you want behind the scenes, just comment what you want next. Alright, let me get this activated, and I'll be back because I don't want this video being so long. And yeah. Okay. I did activate it. I don't know if you can hear, but the babies are drinking water. There's 5 of them. Oh, this is a pretty sticky slime. I'm gonna add a little bit of activator to my hand. I usually do this. I just put a couple drops, rub it. This is a very safe activator, so I can do this. But like borax and Stay Flow and Tide, I wouldn't recommend. But this is a very safe activator, so I can do this. Okay, I'm gonna make a slime swirl, since you guys probably want it. I have a really good slime swirl secret on how to make a slime swirl. So you're gonna pull it, grab in the middle, and grab in the end. Grab in the middle and grab in the end. Grab in the middle and grab in the end. Ooh. Grab in the middle, grab in the end. It just makes more like lines or wrinkles or whatever they're called. That's not a good one. But it makes pretty good crackalackles, which means cracks, like popping noises. Oh, this is kind of like a fluffy slime. If you guys want anything, like a video to make, comment down below. I really don't care with the suggestions. Just make sure your video suggestions are appropriate that I could make. I actually had this person type, "You're my son." I have no idea why, but I do delete some comments that I just don't think that are spam, that I just don't want on my channel. I have deleted one from someone, actually 2, well, from separate people, but yeah, I just have 2, so not like my parents say. And yes, I do get approved by this YouTube channel. Am I gonna have merch? I will have merch. Calm down, y'all. It'll kind of be expensive. Merch is always expensive. Sweaters will be about $35. T-shirts will be about 15. So 10 to 15. And then mugs will be about $5 to $10. Basically, yeah. Is that pretty cool? I don't know how long this video is, and right now I don't care. Kind of looks like I used Tide. It's kind of jiggly too. So isn't that cool? actually getting cooler where I live, so it's actually really nice today. So, and I don't share any of my information. I don't share where I live or anything. What type of merch do you want? Because I designed some, like I designed a hoodie that around on the left side it says Crazie DIY, and then on the back it says Crazie DIY Squad. And then the other one has like craft supplies, and I did make a phone case that says Crazie DIY in different sizes and shapes. If you have an LG, they do not have LGs. They have Samsung and iPhone. I know they don't have LG. I have an LG, but I don't film with an LG. I film with a camera. How long is this video? Oh my god, 11 minutes. Anyways, you guys, I appreciate you guys for being here. I will have a video coming out probably tomorrow on celebrating 26 subscribers. It'll be a very awesome video. Basically, I'll do 26 things for my 26 subscribers. Thank you guys for all 26 of you guys. I appreciate and I love you guys very much with all my heart, and it's just amazing to have you guys here subscribing and watching all my videos. And thank you guys so much for 103 views on my first video. I know that it's most likely just you guys going over and over my videos because I don't post a lot. I post every other day. I'm sorry, I just can't. It's just school is busy, and there's other things in life. I can't just focus on a YouTube channel as a full career. So I appreciate you guys so much for this. Soon I will have my uncle here for Thanksgiving. But I really want you guys to subscribe for them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I promise. I have one coming tomorrow. So, you guys better be happy. Bye!